Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. It is a rather slow day, which on a Saturday is not unusual. Okay, so it is a rather slow day. We're still holding below resistance and above support, basically here in no man's land, you could say. But I won't, because the overall trend is up. I'm in favor always of upside trend continuation. So I'm not telling you that because we are below resistance, we are going down. It's more like I want to see a break of support here, which is still the same as communicated earlier today on Twitter, but also here in the video and on Discord and everything. This support area hasn't changed. We've been talking about it already yesterday. I want to leave it where it is. It is my micro support area, and it takes a break below it to suggest that we have struck some kind of a top. We need to give it space to possibly test that support region in a more extended wave 4. Yeah, so I have highlighted it as wave 4 with a question mark, which doesn't mean we have to go there. It means that the price might go there. And that means I cannot rule it out, but I cannot rule it out is not the same as, okay, we're going to go into support, okay? So that's very important. It is only support as well, it's not target. So the idea is that we could be in this white wave count to the upside when the price is forming. I'm basically watching if the price can form here a 5-wave move to the upside. In my interpretation, this really only works as a diagonal because the initial rally is, it's a 3-wave move. Yeah, so I mean, there are other exotic patterns that could apply here, which I'm not gonna, but for me, at the moment, I'm looking primarily at wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, okay, 4 was a bit short maybe, and then to look at, okay, can we get a wave 5 from here? That it's possible this 4th wave bottomed on Thursday, the 16th, but I cannot rule out that the 4th is still unfolding and takes shape of a larger flat correction. A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave down, and it might do this, And it doesn't need to get to the support region. All I want to share, between everything's noise here until we break below 63,148 or break out to the upside. There's a lot of noise up and down. You have a range, okay? So you have a range. But we have to give the price a bit of space because it's a volatile space. And probabilities for this extended wave 4 will reduce once we break above resistance. And that is 67,456. And it's not only that, also I think, let me just check. Yeah, on the daily chart, it's the same level pretty much here. We have structural resistance. So we have structural resistance and Fibonacci resistance. And if that level breaks, then it should send us to the high 69K region, possibly 70K. So that's sort of what I see and how I see the price right now possibly develop. It really takes a break below the support region. 63,148 is the key level there, to suggest that we are going to see a deeper pullback, which could then target the lower support region, which is between 58,368 and 60,880. So that hasn't changed. It is a quiet day today. If we see the lower price region or lower support region, then really the 78.6 retracement level there needs to hold to keep the yellow count alive. In the yellow count, we are following a bullish pathway, in which on the 1st of May, the larger degree 4th wave correction could have completed. And then we're already now on our way to 85 to 90K overall. But it all can be summarized quite easily in that we say, as long as the 58,360 level is holding, we're on our way to 85 to 90K. But there can be lots of fluctuations here. So in the short term, we need to observe 63,148. There is still a way for the price to break down and to fail the rally. And I see that as also high probability, but as long as we are holding support, there is no evidence for a top. And that would be here the white count, ABC, in which the price is now in the C wave and is forming a 5-wave move. It could then break down from there. But yeah, it's all a bit of a mess. We really need that range breakout. I see a potential low in place here with the alternative count at the moment. but want to rule out the bearish counts first before, getting very excited that we're already on the move towards 85 to 90K. It's definitely possible. So far, the price has reversed in the larger support region in our main support zone, and that's also what we wanted to see. Just that in the very short term, obviously, there's a bit of up and down possible here, in the range, but any movements within a range, they are typically quite meaningless. So just understand what support is, just understand the upside breakout point, which is here the resistance area. And then we could get to, let's say, the high 60K region, 69,000, high 69K region. 69,775 is the 100% extension of the rally that unfolded between the 1st of May and the 6th of May. And this is the first ideal target for that C wave, which is why I've got it on the chart there. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. So far, the parameters have not changed at all. It's pretty quiet Saturday. Probably again on Sunday, we're going to see some more significant movements towards the end of the weekly candle. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.